Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to remove Google account from Android phone. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Google account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your settings. Now once you open your phone settings, you can see so many options over here. Now all you need to do is to scroll down, and once you scroll down you can see account. At times you can see account and sync. Depending on the phone that you are using, you can click on account or you can click on account and sync. Now once you are done, you can see your account over here. All you need to do is to select the account you want to remove, and now you can see over here remove account. All you need to do is to click on remove account, and you can see removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So all you need to do is to click on remove account. Don't forget, removing your account is different from deleting your account. Removing your account is just removing your account from the device, but you can still log into that account on a different phone. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video